When it comes to remodeling your home in Sterling Heights, choosing the right materials is one of the most important decisions you'll make. Whether you're updating your kitchen, bathroom, flooring, or exterior, the materials you choose can impact everything, from your budget and maintenance needs to your home's overall value and appearance. If you want your remodeling project to stand the test of time and meet your family's lifestyle needs, here's a closer look at some of the best materials to consider. Durable flooring for everyday living in Sterling Heights, where temperatures can shift dramatically between seasons. You need flooring that can handle both cold winters and humid summers. For many homeowners, luxury vinyl plank, LVP, has become a go-to option. It mimics the look of hardwood but is more resistant to moisture and easier to maintain. Plus, it's softer underfoot than tile and quieter than laminate, making it a great choice for families with kids or pets. Hardwood flooring is still a classic choice, especially for living rooms and bedrooms. It brings warmth and elegance, and it can last for decades with the right care. Just be aware it might require more maintenance, especially in areas that see a lot of foot traffic or humidity. Strong and stylish countertop kitchens and bathrooms are high-use areas, so you'll want countertops that can handle spills, heat, and daily wear without losing their good looks. Quartz is one of the best materials you can choose. It's non-porous, stain-resistant, and available in a wide range of colors and patterns. Plus, it doesn't require sealing like granite does. If you're after a more natural look, granite remains a popular choice for many Sterling Heights homeowners. It's incredibly tough and can handle hot pots and pans with ease. While it does need occasional sealing, its beauty and longevity make it worth the extra care. Low-maintenance siding option. If you're remodeling the exterior of your home, new siding can greatly improve curb appeal and insulation. Vinyl siding is one of the most cost-effective and low-maintenance choices. It doesn't peel or fade easily and can last for decades with minimal upkeep. Fiber cement siding is another excellent option. It's fire-resistant, durable, and stands up well to Michigan's unpredictable weather. It costs a bit more upfront, but many homeowners find it worth the investment for its long-term performance and look. Energy-efficient windows and doors. Don't overlook the importance of windows and doors in your remodeling plans. Old or poorly insulated ones can lead to high energy bills and make your home uncomfortable during both summer and winter months. In Sterling Heights, energy-efficient materials like double-pane or triple-pane windows with low E coatings are highly recommended. These options help keep your indoor temperature stable and reduce noise from outside. For doors, fiberglass is a great choice. It mimics the look of wood but is more resistant to warping, moisture, and insects. Steel doors are another solid option, offering top-notch security and insulation. Smart choices for bathroom and kitchen fixtures. When updating fixtures, think about both appearance and functionality. Brushed nickel and matte black finishes are popular for faucets and cabinet handles. They're modern, easy to clean, and resist fingerprints. For sinks, stainless steel and porcelain remain top picks, depending on the style you're going for. In bathrooms, ceramic or porcelain tiles work well for both floors and showers. They're water-resistant, easy to clean, and available in endless styles to match your design goals. Final thoughts. No matter what part of your home you're remodeling in Sterling Heights, using the right materials is key to a successful project. Focus on durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency to get the best return on your investment. And always choose materials that fit both your lifestyle and the Michigan climate. With careful planning and smart choices, your remodel can bring comfort, beauty, and lasting value to your home.